Before starting CAD drawing, we need to measure the key node positions of the target area. After measurement, select Survey and open CAD Draw. Tap Drawing at the bottom, select the required line type, and pick points to draw. Select target points from the point library in sequence and connect them in order. If you need to change the line type, tap Completed and then select a new line type. Repeat until the target drawing is completed. Tap Data at the bottom and select DXF Export. Here you can set options for the exported CAD file. Tap Export at the bottom. You can edit the file name. After editing, tap Save.